Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to address you today, realizing that traditional methods are no longer effective in addressing the threats our environment is facing. The United Arab Emirates is keen to apply innovative technologies in its sustainability drive. In June 2021, we launched a bio-digital survey that integrates aerial and underwater data collected using drones and underwater remotely operated vehicle to generate digital maps of marine habitats and their biodiversity. The study aims to evaluate the impacts of climate change on the marine environment to inform our efforts to protect it and safeguard aquatic life. We are currently leveraging technology to evaluate ecosystem services and identify key biodiversity areas to improve the management of natural resources. Our future directions target protecting endangered species, safeguarding natural habitats from the negative effect of urban development, and promoting sustainable use of biological resources. Thank you very much.